This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello to those of you who are new, my name's Matt and this is my channel, You Can Change Vegan. Today we're making a recipe which I couldn't find a video for online, so I'm making one. Today we're making these Australian biscuits called Butterscotch Buttons. Our first step is to preheat a low oven at 150 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. Now I've measured out all of my ingredients, you can find them in the description. We'll start by adding the vegan butter and brown sugar to a large bowl. Cream those together using electric beaters or a wooden spoon for a couple of minutes until fluffy. Next we're going to add in the golden syrup, vanilla and salt, then stir to combine. It's already time for our last ingredient, the self-raising flour. Add it into the bowl, then stir everything together until it just begins to form a soft cookie dough like this. Line a couple of baking trays. Now take small spoonfuls of the mixture, roll it into a ball with your hands, and then place it on the baking tray. It will make around 30 small biscuits. Now use something flat like the bottom of a measuring cup or a glass. Dip it in some flour so it doesn't stick, then flatten the cookies. Once all of the biscuits are flattened, we repeat the process again, but this time using a fork to give the biscuits their distinctive lines. They're looking good. Pop into the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes depending on if you want soft or crunchy. Keep an eye on them and they're ready once they have a light to golden brown colour. Allow them to cool fully on the tray and then you can enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thanks to all of my subscribers, and there's more of my vegan recipe ideas here.